Subscribe to our channel for daily tech news and hit that bell icon to get notifications for every video we upload. Hello everyone, this is RKV and you are watching Unveiled Universe. Xiaomi Mi Mix 2S is already started up showing in the leaks. A number of leaks came out this week. Xiaomi Mi Mix 2S will come with a 6-inch display. There is a great change on the front of the phone, that is the bottom bezel is completely gone and the camera on the front is moved to the top right corner of the phone, and the earpiece is a vibrating type earpiece, so the display will be working as an earpiece, so there is no need of earpiece on the outside of the phone, which makes this phone to come out with a screen to body ratio of 94% as reported by the leaks. The back of Mi Mix 2 is holding a dual camera setup. The phone has some monster specs, that is 8 gigs of RAM with 256 gigs of onboard storage and is powered by Snapdragon 845. What do you think about the Xiaomi Mi Mix 2S? Tell me in the comments section below. If you find the video interesting, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one, and share this video with your tech crazy friends. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace out.